Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start chapter 5th, Seeds and Seeds. So let's start the chapter with a story. There was a boy named Gopal. He was waiting for his Mouse's family to visit them. Mouse's family will be coming the next day for their holidays. He was thinking about all the fun and nice food that they will eat together. Just then his mother called out Gopal. She said, Gopal, before you sleep, remember to soak two small bowls, yani ki katoris of chana. Soak means bigona, because she was going to his bua's house and would return only in the morning. But while soaking the chana, Gopal thought, how will two small bowls of this be enough for 8 persons? So he soaked another two bowls of chana. And when his mother returned the next morning, she saw that the chana were overflowing from the vessel. So mother asked, how much did you soak? When Gopal saw, he wondered, how did this happen? So children, do you know why did the chana overflow from the vessel? It happened because when Gopal soaked the chana in water, it became double of its size, like a sponge absorbs water. So children, seeds absorb water and become double of its size. So mother said, you soaked too much. Anyway, it is good. Now I will cook half of them and leave the other half to sprout. I can send these to your aunt. The doctor has told her to eat sprouts because sprouts are very healthy. Mother said she tied half of the uh, soaked chana in a wet cloth and hung them up to sprout. Now let's do an activity. Take some chana and 3 bowls. Now you have to observe it after 2 days. Put 5 chanas in the first bowl and pour some water. In the second, keep a cotton cloth and keep the same number of chanas and pour some water as well. And make sure that cotton cloth gets wet properly. And in the third bowl, put chanas but don't pour water and don't keep cotton cloth also. Now cover all 3 bowls and you have to observe it after 2 days and write your observations. Now see, I have done the activity. In first bowl, are the seeds getting air? No. In second, yes. And in third, yes. Next observation is, are the seeds getting water? In the first bowl, yes. In the second, yes. And in third bowl, no. Now what changes did you see? In first, chanas have swelled up. In second, chanas have swelled up as well as sprouted. And in third, there is no change. The seeds would not show any change in the absence of water and air. Sprouting time of the seeds may vary according to the temperature and humidity of the weather. Humidity means the moisture present in the air. When you split whole masoor, you get masoor dal, but you cannot sprout the masoor dal. Why this is so? Because the sprouting is a period in which seeds get germinated and the shoot comes out of the seeds, and that time a new baby plant comes out. But when the seed splits in the center of the seeds, it lose its it loses its capacity of sprouting. Now let's see what is inside a seed. Seed is protected by a tough outer coat, that is seed coat. Food storage provides the embryo plant with food, and very important part of a seed is called embryo. Embryo grows into plant. Seeds becomes plant in the process of germination. Next is plants which hunt. There are some plants which trap and eat frogs, insects and mice also. There are some plants in Australia known as pitcher plants because they have a shape like pitcher. They have shape like a pitcher. जो पानी का घड़ा होता है ना, उस तरह का उनका शेप होता है. देयर माउथ इज़ कवर्ड बाय अ लीड, और उसके ऊपर एक लीड भी होता है, यानी कि ढक्कन भी होता है. These plants have special smells which attracts insects, and as soon as the insect lands on the mouth of plant, it gets trapped and cannot get out of it. The pitcher plant is one such plant. It is found in Australia. It has a pitcher-like shape and the mouth is covered by a leaf. The plant has a special smell that attracts insects to it. When the insect lands on the mouth of the plant, it gets trapped and cannot get out. So students, here we end the part 1 of our lesson. So I hope you like it. Thank you.